Hi, good day everyone. My name is Henry Onowale, your AI expert, your AI ethic impact assessment assessor, your responsible AI expert, and also your AI strategist. Thanks for joining our section on AI book reading with major emphasis on AI ethics. For those that are joining, thanks for joining. We embark on a project this year, and the project is to spend 30 minutes of our time, reading one of those selected books, which majorly focus on AI ethics, AI governance, and responsible AI. And for this year, we selected 4 books. And one of the book we've completed already. The title of the book is AI Governance, a Primer. And the author of the book is Dr. Edward Aden. And now we're almost rounding up the second book. And the title of this book is AI Governance, Applying AI Policy and Ethics Through Principle and Assessment. And the author of this book is Dr. Darryl Carlton. It's been an exciting moment. We've actually learned a lot about the different principles of AI ethics, and currently we're rounding up the book, and now we're looking at the AI performance assessment. Then we're currently in page 73. Then thank you for joining. Please share this live with others so that they can be a part of this daily book reading. Okay, let's continue. It said, will the data collected, maybe I should just start from a better position. Transparency and provision of information to users. Please describe how the AI system is designed and developed to ensure its operation is sufficiently transparent, enabling users to interpret and use its output appropriately. Do the AI system instruction for use accompany them in an appropriate digital format? Do these instructions include concise, complete, correct, and clear information that is relevant, accessible, and understandable to users? Number 3, does the AI system provide key data privacy information to the user on their first interaction, including how personal data is collected and how it should be used? B, how any automated decision making using personal or other data collected will be used? C, how the data collected by the AI system will be used to monitor employee performance, customer or patient activity? D, who will have access to the data which is collected by the AI system, and will this access be provided in the form of raw data, extract or summary, and anonymized reporting? E, for what purpose will person have access to the data collected? F, will the data collected by the AI system be anonymized and or encrypted during its retention? Does the AI system provide the opportunity for the user to opt out without penalty or repercussion? H, how long the data collected by the AI system will be retained and how it will be destroyed? Number 4, do the instructions specify the following? What are the identity and contact details of the provider, and where applicable, its authorized representative? What are the characteristics, capabilities, and limitations of the performance of the AI system, including its intended purpose, the level of accuracy, robustness, and cyber security against which it has been tested and validated, and any known or foreseeable circumstances that may impact its performance? C, are there any known or foreseeable circumstances related to using the AI system that may lead to health, safety, or fundamental rights risks? D, what is the system performance regarding the person or groups of persons on which it is intended to be used? E, what are the specifications for the input data or any other relevant information regarding the training, validation, and testing data set use, considering the AI system intended purpose. Number 5, describe the human oversight measure in place, including technical measures to facilitate users' interpretation of AI system output. Number 6, what is the expected lifetime of the high-risk AI system and what maintenance and care measures are necessary to ensure its proper functioning and including software updates. Okay, and we're in page 74, and now we're looking at section 4, operation, risks, and retirement. Model operation. Briefly describe the risks associated with data quality, such as data drift, bias drift, and feature attribution drifts. Provide a short description of the risks associated with model decay. Outline the strategy for monitoring and addressing risks related to data quality, drift, and model decay. Number 4, explain the organizational strategy for continuously updating the AI application, including the frequency of updates and documentation of model changes. Number 5, has a complaint process been established for users of the AI system to raise concern or suggest improvement? If yes, provide a short description of the process, including the point of contact. Number 6, has a problem to resolution process been defined for the AI system? If yes, briefly outline the process. Risk management plan. Describe the established risk management system for AI system, including its implementation, documentation, and maintenance, as well as how the risk management system evaluates risks based on the analysis of data gathered from the post-market monitoring system. Number 2, explain how the risk management system measures a continuous iterative process throughout the AI system lifecycle, including regular and systematic updates. Number 3, describe the method used to estimate and evaluate risks that may emerge when the high-risk AI system is used for its intended purpose and under reasonably foreseeable misuse. Yeah, that brings us to the end of today's book reading on AI ethics. As you all know, we usually spend 30 minutes of our time to go through this book reading. But just since we have just few pages to complete the book, I'm talking about this book, then we decided to slow down so that we can complete the reading of this book by, I guess, by 30th, which is a Thursday. And on Friday, we're going to unveil a new book reading. I guess we did a great job. This will be the second book that we are rounding up for the month of January, which I think is not bad. We've actually learned a lot, and I decided to kind of slow down. Then what I do now is just to cover just one page of the book. And I guess we have 3 pages to complete. One will be tomorrow, Wednesday, and the other one will be on Thursday. Yeah. Just a quick recap of what this chapter focuses on is on conformance assessment. Now, when it comes to implementing the principles of AI ethics and AI governance, it is important that the organization develop some form or some sort of risk assessment tools or framework. Then this assessment tool is more like a questionnaire, or it's more like a checklist where the organization is meant to capture information regarding what category of AI technology do they intend to deploy, what is it, and they're also expected to capture if the AI technology is of high risk, of medium risk, of low risk. And they are also expected to indicate who will be the main owner or the point of contact for this technology that are being deployed. And they also need to also establish how they also comply to the AI principles. I mean, the principle of transparency, the principle of accountability, the principle of data privacy, robustness, sustainability, trustworthiness, accuracy, security. They have to establish how that will be evaluated. All of this has to be documented. And there is also the principle of contestability. They also need to document how will users be able to raise a concern to any AI technology that is being launched by the organization. Then they need to also put some feedback loops to be provided by the internal users and also the society at large. Then those are that is the best approach of incorporating conformance assessments. Then, as I said, it's more like a checklist of what organization need to comply or they need to put in place when they are about to deploy an AI technology. Then, for those that are just joining us for the first time, thanks for joining. My name is Henry Onowale. We engage 30 minutes of our time every day to read the selected books from our bucket list. This year we selected 4 books, or 4 books were picked, and the emphasis is majorly on AI governance and AI ethics. As I said, the goal of this live is to actually promote sensitization of AI ethics and AI governance. There's a lot of excitement about the innovative ability of artificial intelligence, and a lot of only few people are paying attention to the safety or the ethical approach of adopting or deploying or implementing AI technology, because a lot of people are, ignorant or oblivious of the risk that comes with artificial intelligence. Then someone has to take this as a responsibility to advocate for this awareness and also push more sensitization so that a lot of people can become aware, and also call for government efforts to put stringent measures in place to be able to, manage the risks that comes with the development of AI technology. Because when stringent measures are not put in place, the AI manufacturers or providers will create AI technology that could be a threat to the human society. Then for us not to get to that level, it is advisable that we kind of create an enabling environment where people can become more informed and more aware of the ethical practice associated with the acceptance, with the adoption, with the deployment and the use of artificial intelligence. Then please, I urge you to share this live with your friends. If you have missed the previous book reading, all you do, just go back to the previous videos and recordings, clips. You'll be able to catch up, because on Friday, we're starting our 3rd book. You see, it's so exciting. We pick 4, and I'm already thinking that we might need to even add 1, because the goal is to spend 30 minutes every day throughout the year 2025, because we have to be fully knowledgeable about artificial intelligence. It is very important. When we give our time to it, we will fully understand how this technology works, and we'll also come up with insight and idea how to set the boundaries in terms of adopting artificial intelligence. Okay, thanks everyone. See you later in the day. We're going to continue our teaching series on AI ethics. We've been talking about the approaches of model fine-tuning. Yeah, today we are going to talk about an important technique that is utilized during model fine-tuning. Which one are we talking about? We are talking about hyperparameter. Then later today, in about an hour or 2 hours, we are going to talk about the approach of hyperparameter. Then thanks for listening to me and enjoy the rest of your day. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.